Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent motor activation and short circuits. Leave it off for the entire repair. Remove the door panel carefully with trim tools, prying along the clips and unscrewing the visible screws. Allow about 3 hours for the full job with simple tools and a helper if needed to support the glass. Gather a 10 mm socket, T20 Torx driver, a flat trim tool, and a new Ford Focus regulator kit before you start. Lower the glass far enough to access the two 10 mm regulator-to-glass bolts. If the motor is dead, manually position the glass and tape it to the door frame. Support the window with strong tape or a helper before unbolting the regulator to prevent the glass from falling. Remove the plastic vapor barrier and disconnect the electrical connector, then unbolt the regulator and motor assembly from the door shell. Carefully maneuver the assembly out through the access hole, noting the orientation for reinstallation. Install the new regulator assembly using the same bolt pattern and 10 mm fasteners. Hand thread bolts first to avoid cross-threading, then tighten snugly. Reconnect the motor connector and temporarily reconnect the battery to test operation, running the window up and down to confirm smooth travel without binding. If alignment is off, loosen the regulator bolts slightly and adjust glass position until it seals correctly. Finally, remove test tapes. Reinstall the vapor barrier and door panel, torque fasteners, and clean the glass for a complete job.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.